This is the vine here that's coming up. Cut that up into chunks and then boil it like all day, and mix the chacruna in, and it's pretty much the leaves of the chacruna, and let that boil down to a concentrate. I think those two ingredients is where you get massive psychoactivity, but you also have, that's the real therapeutic intentionality of it. The National Cancer Institute it's pretty quick to remind people that 70% of the molecules that we're seeing that are active against cancer, come right out of plants. If you consider taking those molecules and synthesizing them to make cancer medicine, then that percentage goes up to about 90%. And here you've got 100,000 species of plants, so it's really our planet's greatest natural pharmacy, by far. The amount of compounds here is mind-boggling. So it's really an exciting time.
Cualquier